Welcome to qnawire.
All right, in question 99, we are supposed to predict whether the following reactions are going to be spontaneous in acidic solutions and under standard conditions. So the first reaction that we are looking at is going to be question A, is that we are looking at the oxidation of SN to SN2 plus by I2, which would be going to 2I minus. And so to figure out whether or not this is going to be spontaneous, we want to calculate E cell. Because, that's going to be E reduction minus standard E oxidation. Because if E cell is positive, then it will be spontaneous. And if E cell is negative, then it will be non-spontaneous. So for this reaction here in part A, and you're going to look up your numbers on Appendix E, the reduction reaction is the I2, and that E is equal to 0.54 volts. And we're going to subtract off E oxidation, which in this for Sn to Sn2 plus is equal to negative 0.14 volts to get a positive 0.68 volts. And because E is positive, this reaction is spontaneous. In question B, we are looking at the reduction of Ni2 plus. So this is my reduction reaction, is going to be Ni2 plus to Ni. And the oxidation reaction we're looking at is I minus to I2. And so again, we are going to calculate E cell for this, looking up the numbers on Appendix E. And the reduction reaction, that E is going to be a negative 0.28 volts. And we're going to subtract this one, which we had up here was a positive 0.54 volts. And we get a negative 0.82 volts. And because E is negative, this is going to be a non-spontaneous reaction. Question C, part C says that we want to have the reduction of Ce4 plus to Ce3 plus. So this is our reduction reaction. And we're going to be doing that by so the oxidation reaction is using H2O2. And so in this one, again, we're calculating E cell. And the reduction potential is 1.61 volts minus the oxidation potential. When you look up H2O2 as an oxidizing agent, you're going to get a voltage of 0.68 volts potential, and therefore we get 0.93 volts. And because E is positive, this is going to be a spontaneous reaction. Finally, in part D, we are looking at the reduction. So our reduction reaction is going to be Cu2 plus to Cu, and that's going to be done by our oxidizing agent, in this case is Sn2 plus, going to what's being oxidized, so our reducing agent, going to Sn4 plus. So again, we're going to calculate E cell, and the reduction reaction is potential is 0.34 volts for the copper, minus the tin is going to be 0.15 volts. Make sure you're doing the 2 plus to 4 plus 10. And that is going to give us an E cell of 0.19 volts. And here, because E cell is positive, this will again be a spontaneous reaction. That's it.